Hello, my name is Staff Sergeant Ben Moran and I'm with the 338th Army Band. In this video, we are going to go over training for the ACFT through rep max deadlift with a straight bar. Please watch this demonstration. Next, we're going to learn how to perform a deadlift with a straight bar. The preparatory phase begins with my feet directly below my shoulders or slightly wider. My toes are turned slightly outward, however it is not to an extreme. Now, I lower my upper body by pushing my hips back as if I were going to shut my car door, lowering my upper body by flexing my hips and my knees, and keeping a straight back and my chin up until I am able to fully grasp the bar. This is the end of the preparatory phase. Please note that I keep my chin up and my back does not round. Moving on to the upward movement phase of this deadlift, we begin this phase by driving through the floor with our legs, moving our shoulders before our hips, and extending our knees and hips until our shoulders are stacked above our hips above our knees, and our knees above our ankles. This is the end of the upward movement phase of the deadlift. Please note that I did not overextend my back at the top of the deadlift by bringing my shoulders behind my hips. I also maintained a straight back with my chin up the entire time during the repetition. Finally, moving to the downward movement phase of the deadlift, I again begin by pushing my hips back, shutting the car door, lowering my upper body by flexing my hips and my knees, keeping an upright chest, chin up, and a flat back until the weights would touch the ground. As you can see, I stop here as if there were weights on my bar. This is the end of the downward movement phase. In closing, let's return to the first video and review. Please note that I always maintain control of the bar during downward and upward phases of the movement at all times. I always keep my shoulders back and my chest out, and the bar is always set down. It is not slammed or dropped from the top of the repetition. Thank you for taking the time for viewing my tutorial video. Please see my other videos to better yourself in preparation for your ACFT.